I am Dr. Stephen, a retired botany professor from Kerala, and I am very happy to present very important press meet here because nowadays all over the world are after vaccine only. The important thing is that there is no medicine in allopathy for any viral disease. There is no medicine for any viral disease in modern medicine. But for each and every viral diseases, there is effective plant medicines are there. Effective plant medicines are there. So now we are thinking only about vaccination. Vaccination is having its own advantage, but there is lot of disadvantages are there. In the history, so far, no vaccines are released in such a short time. In the history, so far, no vaccines are released in such a short time. So we have to study the side effects. We have to study the after effects. It is said that about 10% of girls may become sterile due to vaccination. Then vaccination and antibiotics may create or increase the frequency of autism, Down syndrome, and other genetic problems, even cancer, to the injected people. So, moreover, Shashi Tharoor, the former minister and MP, took 2 Pfizer vaccines and he got COVID. He got COVID. So, after 2 Pfizer dosages, even Shashi Tharoor got COVID. So, we can't rely on vaccination. And this corona disease is not so much severe. It became severe due to allopathic treatment. You know, mucormycosis. This mucormycosis is a black fungus. It is belonging to the algal fungi. And this algal fungi attacks due to the unnecessary usage of steroids. So the mucormycosis is an after effect of allopathic treatment. Then a lot of oxygen problems are there. A lot of lung problems are there associated with the COVID issue. Because the lung is affected, the alveoli are very small, very sensitive, and it will be affected with viral and bacterial pneumonia. And this viral and bacterial pneumonia can be controlled effectively with the Syngona. The Syngona bark, only this much is enough to save a COVID patient, a small portion. This is Syngona decoction. And you can prepare it will a little bitter in taste. And you can drink little bit 2 times a day for 6 days is enough to save a COVID patient. Then just 30 ml for 5 or 6 days is enough to save a quarantine man or quarantine women to prevent from developing COVID. So this is only COVID. There will be no oxygen problem. There will be no pneumonia. There will be no viral pneumonia. There will be no bacterial pneumonia. It will not affect if the people are having other severe diseases. Even then they will be saved. I think I can drink itself. This much morning and evening is necessary. That is only the COVID situation. Why the word is like that? The king is naked. People are not daring to say king is naked. The mask is, I don't think it is effective because I am a teacher, professor, teaching virology for last 28 years. And the first property of virus is we can't sieve it through with any type of any type of sieve. Then that means the viruses are usually measured in terms of angstrom. Angstrom means 1 by 1 crore of a millimeter. So I don't think that this mask is having any effect than washing, than distancing. The main reason, I think, it is a matter of government issues. So I think I can say as my own opinion. I can say my own opinion. It may be against the government and IMA, etc. But I can say my own opinion. That's all. So I think it is better for us to discuss some other things. Then, Britishers planted Syngona in 136,000 acres in 1860. I have this note, I have shown it. 1860, and there is a factory in Naduvattam. And the Britishers planted in 1 lakh acres in Darjeeling, in your state. Then Britishers planted more than 1 lakh acres in Sri Lanka. They have separate department also. So its property was identified about 30,000 years back in Chile, in Peru. And this is the national tree of Peru. And this bark is also known as Jesuit's bark, because Jesuits used it. And its scientific name is Syngona. Botanical name is Syngona. The genus name is Syngona, because the life of Syngon, the princess of Spain, was saved with Syngona. That is why Linnaeus gave the name Syngona to the genus. And there is more than 30 species. More than 30 species in South America region. Then the main action, I have to say, the virus is having internal RNA and external protein. The protein is having a spike. Syngona will act, the spike will not attach on the body cell, and only after they can attach, the RNA can be injected. So this is another mode of action. But the vaccines are against the viral RNA. The viral RNA changes its shape so that the vaccines may be changed. See the difference. The mode of action is different. So you can save people from the first wave, second wave, third wave, or any wave with Syngona. This is enough and more. And vaccine requires different modifications, because it is a single-stranded RNA. Single-stranded RNA will modify by mutations. So vaccines should be changed. That is why 2 Pfizer doses did not save even Shashi Tharoor. Lot of people are suffering. So this action is entirely different. Then, until recently, Syngona was given by allopathic doctors as 200 to 600 mg tablets, then as liquid also. After lighting into the mouth, now they are giving antibiotics. But until recently, the allopathists gave Syngona medicine, and that was effective also. So we can expect in near future we will go back. Then Syngona is very effective to control our throat problems. 2-3 days back, I thought I fell out. And there was it, and just prepared it a single dose. Tomorrow onwards, there is no problem in my throat and so it is lung protective. Now there is only one thing more. This is the first medicine of allopathy. This is the first medicine of homeopathy. Hanuman was an allopathic doctor. By hating the allopathy, he started homeopathy. He used Singona in his body first. So the first medicine of homeopathy is Singona. And now Singona medicine is available in homeopathy, that is China. China, spelling is China. That can be used very easily by post-COVID treatment at least. At least they will never develop lung problem, oxygen problem, etc. Mucormycosis. You can purchase it. The problem is that there is no research in homeopathy. There is no research in Ayurveda in India. That is the pathetic condition. The international webinar was organized in November. That means 7 months back. I have tried my level best to allopathy doctors to give me a paper, Singona in allopathy. I have approached so many homeo doctors to give me a paper on Singona in homeopathy. And I have approached Ayurveda doctors, no use. So I have presented that paper by myself. And I am even now expecting, and I am going to, there is a National Homeopathic Research Institute in Kolkata. I have no scope because they want money and they are not interested in research. They are having an arsenicum 30, that is arsenicum trioxide and 2 plants. They are not interested to modify it with the Singona. It is very easy, but they are not even using the China. In India, Quassia, belonging to the family Saemarubaceae, is now selling as Singona. Then in Kerala, one tree species of Vernonia is Karuna. That is also selling as Koina. So don't purchase Indian medicine. Indian China and Indian Koina medicine will be of other plants. So please go to homeopathic medical shop. Just ask China. Spelling is very easy. China. China. Give 10 ml to the post-COVID patients. They will be okay within few days. I have suggested, and a lot of people are giving. And even the homeopathic doctor is not aware about China. Even China. Their first medicine. They haven't seen the plant. And I visited the Ooty region. Ooty, Paikara, Naduvattam. 28 kilometers from Ooty to Mysore route. That is Naduvattam. There is factories there. That factory was there, and some parts of factory is maintained there. So I went there with IFGTP people. I went there with the TBJRI scientists. And now I came to Kolkata, just going to Darjeeling. And I am planning to go Darjeeling, about 500 kilometers away. There is plantations are there. So I am expecting, I thought that a lot of people will be here, and even the press people may accompany with me. I thought, even now I am expecting. And the scientists from, yesterday I went to St. Xavier's College. It was started in 1860. There is no botany. Then Maulana Askar College, I am staying near that. Nobody in botany. I will go to botanical garden. I will go to botany department of Calcutta University. I will go to Jadavpur University also in this week, in these days, so that may get some people for going there. And we have lotoscope, not only in COVID, but also we can solve our throat problems, our lung problems by natural methods. Why we are thinking about atom bombs? If we can solve the problem with a rifle or with a stone, that is my simple question. What is the use of atom bomb? We are using only atom bomb. If we can solve the problem with a rifle, or we can solve with the problem with a stone, that is enough. One more example, I will say, the mumps is a disease, viral disease. If mumps is happening to a boy, he may become sterile if it is not treated. Then a secretion from plow, that is planchana, that is artocarpus. That is 2 times application is enough. Then jaundice. There is no medicine in allopathy. There is no medicine at all in modern medicine for any viral disease. Any viral disease. Then they know to complicate sugar and BP. They will give increased dose, and we have to consume up to our death. So we have to go back to plants. There are solutions for our all issues. And I think we are in Kerala. There was 10 acres, which is planted 10 acres, and there is landslide. A lot of people died, and that is not there. So in Kerala there is no Syngona is there. But in Ooty there is Syngona is there. In Darjeeling Syngona is there. In Sri Lanka there may be, and in Peru there is sure. It is the national tree of Peru. National tree of Peru. So I am planning to go to Peru after that. So we have enough scope. Then one thing more, lung transplantation, kidney transplantation, etc. may reject by our body because it is a foreign body. Lung from other men is a foreign body. So we will give suppressing medicines and antibiotics, etc. So we can give, it is having antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, antimalarial properties. So now there is nanomedicinal applications. So we can targeted nanomedicinal application of Syngona will prevent, or we can avoid the usage of such antibiotics in liver transplanted, kidney transplanted patients. So they are, always their death occurs by the pneumonia, that may be viral pneumonia or bacterial pneumonia. Viral pneumonia and bacterial pneumonia will be 100% preventive is Syngona. Pneumonia or lung issues, it is specific for lung issues. All type of fevers will be controlled. There is no need of RT-PCR or anything. If you are having a temperature, give little water, any type of fever, you will be solved. It may be viral or bacterial or anything, it will be solved with this one. So let me go to the next topic. I have a small book that is in the second part. See, law of 10% for a hunger-free world. That is, if you can spare 10% of your food, you can reduce 10% of the food, that is enough to solve the poverty from the entire world. And there was, I have written here, in 1940s there was a Bengal famine. It killed more than 20 crores. Am I correct? 10 to 20 crores. People were died in 1940s. Bengal famine. It is known as Bengal famine. Then Irish famine was there in 1840 and 1740. That killed one-third of the population. It is written in the second paragraph. So Bengal famine, the second Bengal famine may occur after 20 years, because after 100 years it is repetition. 100 years back there was a problem of plague, worldwide plague was there, and now it is COVID. So it is natural, because I am a biologist, so nature have some mechanisms to control the population. So second point is okay. Then I like to say about third point also. The third point is about my college. My college is Newman College. I retired in May. This is Newman College. And you know Newman College, a hand-chopping issue of a professor. T.J. Joseph. This is his book. Attu Pogatha Ormagal. That means his hand chopped a question paper. He taught a priest named Father Pichalakat. This student was bursar at that time and junior lecturer, and this man made the problems. A single Catholic priest made all the problems. The question paper issue that is affecting Muslims, it was spreading like that. But the universities, tribunals, court nobody find anything against Muslims in that question. It was prepared purposely, and it developed into the hand chopping, the suicide of his wife Salome, etc. And this priest made a false report against me in 2010. I have organized an international seminar, that is, you can see, conservation and sustainable utilization of red listed medicinal plants of Western Ghats of India. UGC sponsored 2 day seminar. In the valedictory, I have abused manager. There was 100 people, all said that it is false. And even now it is against me. It is valid against me. What to do? That is why I have organized an international seminar or webinar, the Vyaja report of CKP and Pichala, on 3rd September on 11th year. It is coming. It will be inaugurated by Sri P.C. George. So it should not be happen to any professor. A false report against a professor this should be the last one. That is the purpose of that seminar to be conducted on coming September 3rd. Say hand chopping. Why? There was no reason for that. That is written that the real responsible culprit is a Catholic priest, Father Pichalakat, the acting principal, vice principal, and HOD Malayalam of the Newman College, who was a student of Professor T.J. Joseph. In history, there is an incident. This finger is very important in Ramayana, something like that. And the Guru demanded this finger, and he gave the finger also. And here the student took the hand itself. That was what is happened in my college. A shameful condition. If you are looking in the Google, you will find hand chopping more than 1 lakh or 1,000 above that. This Sisbil man, his wife committed suicide because he was out. Nobody was with him. The Catholic Church did so much cruelties. And this was done even before about Professor Mundasheri, against Professor Paul, and so on. So many people. I am also suffering. And this should be the last one. Based on a false complaint and false witness, you can do anything. It should not be happen to a professor or anybody. So I have explained the first aspect, second aspect, and third aspect. And I am expecting 2-3 questions, at least 2-3 questions from any part, especially from this. And I am happy, as I have written here in the last part of the paragraph, the webinar saved more than 30,000 COVID patients from COVID, and not even a single quarantined patient developed COVID by using Singona bark. There is no need of ICMR. There is no need of IMA to consume this. This is what showed it. Simple bark. Boil it, prepare it, drink it. That's all. This is only COVID. So, any questions regarding the scientific aspects or the agricultural aspects, or if you want to know anything about, these are my 2 journals, Indian Journal of Botanical Research. Anyway, I am very, very happy. If any clarifications or any doubt, you can ask. Please ask. Regarding Singona, regarding its action, what is about the side effects of vaccine, because I am a human geneticist, at the same time plant geneticist for last 37 years. I am very happy in Kolkata because I got 3rd rank for BSc, I got 1st rank and gold medal for MSc, I got national 8th rank for NET, JRF. I did MPhil, PhD, then FES, FIT, so many things, MBA, etc. with me. But During my PhD interview, I was in Kolkata. During my PhD interview, I was in Kolkata. My application was there, and the chief took it. Dr. Stephen was our student, and he first rank everything. It is passed. So I am very happy in Calcutta because my interview, doctoral interview, was there. At that time I was in Kolkata. Moreover, I have spent more than 6 months in Kolkata for my research about 32 years back. About 32 years back I spent here. So I have started my office in Kolkata also. Now it is in Green Inn, and I will shift it to some other places in Kolkata. Sir, any doubt you can ask? Any clarifications on COVID or application of Syngona? Its history? Anything I can answer. Questions are very important. Any clarification is required, any part? I have organized an international webinar on the possibility of Syngona to control COVID-19 on November 27, 2020, Friday, in Henry Baker College, Meligaon. Henry Baker College, Meligaon is a tribal college. It is a tribal college. The reason is that the property of Syngona was identified by tribals in South America about 25,000 years back. So that was inaugurated by former Kerala Minister for Education, Sri P.J. Joseph. And his note is here in the first part, and we shall try to restore Syngona plantations in Kerala, in West Bengal, in all parts of the world. It was there. The second paper was by Professor P.M. Matthew, my MSc MPhil PhD professor. And you can see allopathic doctor. He is at more than 90 years old. And he is telling that he gave Syngona medicine. He got Syngona medicines during her childhood. And he gave Syngona medicines for more than 30 years. And Syngona may be tried. And so the first paper is on the cytogenetic aspects of 4 species, that the chromosomes, you can see the chromosome study. And second paper is from IFGTP, Coimbatore, and here the taxonomic aspects are discussed. Very quality. The one thing important is Prakash Javadekar demanded a project from IFGTP, and I have shown the plan to them. Then third paper is from TBJRI, Tropical Botanical Garden, regarding the phytochemistry. So in the page 24, you can see the sum of the alkaloids, chloroquine. This chloroquine, 24, page number 24. A chemical imitating it is hydroxychloroquine, HCQ. HCQ was purchased by Trump in the USA and in Israel also. But HCQ is not from plants. HCQ, the hydroxychloroquine is from plants. And it's a chemical, pure chemical is hydroxychloroquine. Then the Artemisia was developed to control malaria. So malaria was mainly controlled by Syngona. Syngona saved for more than 400 crores of people. 400 crores of people in the history. Then one paper from Canada and another paper from Tamil Nadu. That is very interesting paper. 25,000-year-old medicinal history and its economic and commercial aspects of Syngona. Once the price of Syngona was above gold. Once the price of Syngona was above gold. Gold, above gold. That means, suppose our life is saved by this, we can give 5 kg or 10 kg gold. No modern medicine will save you from any viral disease. any viral disease. Because modern medicine, there is no medicine for any viral disease. There is no medicine for any viral disease. Then the hurry-burry preparation of the vaccine, corona vaccine, I think, or in the history, no vaccine was developed or released within 6 months. A vaccine should be given only after proper studies. Here it is giving, and the side effects we will realize in the future only. So there is autism, Down syndrome, and such genetic problems are there, and that is actually developing from such vaccinations, antibiotics, and our poisons, etc. So we must go back to nature. We must go back to nature. That is very important.
Time to stop it.
So I am very, very happy. If any questions you can ask, otherwise we can stop here. Any question? Any clarification we will do after that. Okay, so thank you so much. And I have conducted such a webinar by selling my 2 Teakwood and 1 annually and 95,000 rupees, and that saved lot of people. And I am happy that you can save because the plant is here, the bark is here, and the bark you can yield very easily. But in Tamil Nadu, the forest people are not allowing because people are taking bark from all sides, so that the trees are destroyed. Here it is, the bark is taking and it is selling, so that you can purchase it from the market. So you can save very simply. No need of IMA. Pardon? Yeah. Please ask. Any question? So no need of any IMA or no need of any ICMR, no need of anything. You can simply use. Moreover, for any throat issues, you can use this one simply. So thank you so much. Thank you. Please save the lives. Please go back and please have our lunch also. I am very happy. Thank you so much. Yeah, give.